Oh, I want people, thanks for about to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Now people as you can realize, you know. We're out here again with the coverage, you know. PNN fully Jamaica-ized, you know, we're there back with the World Championship coverage. I know last year we gave you the Olympics coverage, and this year we're giving you the World Championship coverage, Pattern News Network style, isn't it? So people, of course, World Championship start today. And I don't know, so I rep Team Jamaica straight reppings and them things, isn't it? So Pattern News Network, they have to give you know, the thing, Pattern News Network style. So of course the coverage have to have a name, you know, people. As you don't know, Pattern News Network do the thing different, isn't it? So that one name Run Leff Dem in Oregon. Run Leff Dem in Oregon. That's how we are deal with that area, people. Run left people in Oregon. Of course, you know, say a Pattern News Network. So we have to have with special guests them, with analysts and with panelists them. We are go forward during the coverage of the World Championship, so we can know what are going on. And we just analyze the thing properly. Because we're not doing it like other network, you know, we are giving it proper way, you know, people. Alright, so first thing for the coverage right now, people. Now we know so we are Jamaicans and we don't ramp with the schedule, you know. When they come out to track and field and anything, we don't ramp with the schedule. So we know so the schedule print out and they on most of the wall or they on the cubicle in the office and them thing they done. But for some of you, when they under the rack and don't know what kind of events we in and don't know the time when they go forward, we are gonna make you know right now. We're gonna deal with the schedule live. Hold on the pause. Me know wanna see the drip. Me know wanna see the drip and probably I wonder how we saw drip on the network today. Well, people, we have on the new and exclusive Run Leff Dem gang t-shirt designed right as so on the Pattern News Network. Now for all who follow Pattern News Network a long time, we don't know why we do a Run Leff Dem gang t-shirt and who the Run Leff Dem gang be. But for all who don't know and not watch on YouTube, and you can check out the video right here or over here, so one of them place there. For all who don't know, probably not live on the rock and the first not hear about Pattern News Network, we're going to tell you now who the Run Leff Dem gang be and why we call them the Run Leff Dem gang. Now the Run Leff Dem gang are the Jamaican female athlete, them who did Run Leff Dem at Oregon last year, the Prefontaine Classic. Now the first member of the Run Leff Dem gang is the one we name Elaine, and we call her on Pattern News Network Jet Plane. And of course you know why she named Jet Plane. She's the second fastest woman in the world. By the way, she's actually the fastest because the record is never real. So of course the name only fitting Jet Plane, fastest woman out there right now. Simple 1 3. Now the next one is Shelly, and we call her on the network Remy. And the reason we call her Remy is because she's smooth like Remy on the track. But of course you know Shelly always have a bag of ear. Bag of Remy. I mean, no Shelly there in Oregon right now with a suitcase full of wig. We don't question it. Full of wig. And we look forward to different ear that we are going to forward out each race. Because I know so Shelly has changed an ear per race. And then you have Sharika, and we call her Bingo. Now you probably wonder why she named Bingo. Now you remember when Sharika they ran last year the Olympics and she never want to wear the panty? And now all of a sudden every single race I run Sharika in a panty. Now what Jamaicans call panty? Exactly, so Bingo she name. And then of course you have Kemba aka Chemist. We call her Chemist because she have the formula to beat people. And not because she not beat nobody on the international stage yet. She got beat and teach when she got Oregon, especially because the Oregon stage she go, so she familiar with the place already. So they don't know so she got beat and teach. And then have Brianna aka Bree. That are the Run Leff Dem gang, and the drip is available for sale. They don't know say it's a fun shirt, these people. We represent for the Jamaican team and we love the ladies them. Love the ladies them and we want to represent them with the Run Leff Dem gang t-shirt. So if you don't want to buy a shirt, the link in the bio, the link in the description, when you can order it and ship it to your family members, buy one for a gift for somebody and them thing there. You don't know the drip is nice. Oh, and for all who want to order from Yard, the drip is available, but it's an online purchase, unfortunately. It will come from foreign. But we know so not have no way for getting the shirt in our hand. Because we always order from Amazon and Forever 21 and Shine and you know Fashion Over and them things there. We don't know if we get no clothes at Jamaica. So don't bother beat up the thing. But people, the red shirt here is an exclusive to Pattern News Network. You don't get the drip here online. The drip here exclusive. So now I go see white and I go see black and I go see gold and them things. But you can't add up the thing, man. Add up the thing. How we say Team Jamaica and how we say Run Leff Dem gang. Beat and teach. Alright, so the schedule right now. So the first race we are going to run are the 4x400 mixed relay. Now hold on 1 second. Producer, who the on the mixed relay team? I'm sorry about that, people. We don't really know who the on the team. We just know that the mixed relay is supposed to run. Them say it's supposed to run 145. And that's circulate the place right now. But we go up on the official World Championship website and we see 1145. 1145 we see. So you know what that means? stand in front of on a TV so you don't miss nothing. Oh, and by the way, we're going to beg you know, Jamaica, don't run the man them with the woman them. Because Nigeria tried that couple years ago, you know. And me not like the man run left the woman them, but you see when the man them get the baton, because a mixed relay thing, the man them run down the woman and part. Jamaica, don't do that. It's not a good strategy. It don't work. Alright, so since we don't know nobody in the race, we're not going to call a name unless for sure. Alright, so shot put supposed to forward at 7:05. Then we have long jump at 8 o'clock. And then we have the 1500 meter people. Yes, we in at the 1500 meter. Also, we're there to run left people, you know. So we're in at the 1500 meter. I go forward out at 10 minutes past 8. Adele Tracy, beat and teach, you know. When at the 8:45 bells people, we have the 100 meter male race. Now, in that, we have Ewan Blake, we have Akeem Blake, and we have Oblique Civil. Beat and teach, man, man. Make sure so we get to the next show, you see me? And then the last race we in upon the day, 9:50. We have the 4x4 mixed relay. So after them run it, in at the day people, they're going to run at the night. So your people are the schedule that, you know. And for all who don't have the schedule, we're going to put it on our IG page so that you can know what going on and them things there so you can keep up. Because you don't have to keep up. You get me? So your people, as you can see, I saw the coverage there, you know. I saw the coverage there. I delayed coverage, but I saw the coverage the same way. So we're begging you, stick and stay right here, so. Run Leff Dem in Oregon. Pattern is network style. Yeah, we're so far again.